Bitboy Crypto came out yesterday, the largest crypto YouTuber in the entire world, and he said that Elon Musk is the largest holder of Dogecoin in the world and that he plans to dump all of his Dogecoin to buy Bitcoin with it. In this video, we are going to be refuting the fallacies of Bitboy Crypto's video about Dogecoin and Elon Musk, and we're also going to be talking about why crypto is dumped today because there is a very precise reason why. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that I make every day. And if you want to get my day trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you want to talk to me on the phone, we could build you a portfolio, and you also want to learn technical analysis, join the Patreon. I have a list of services that will help you to make money in crypto. I'm also giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments below. Now we are getting started right now, but before we do so, make sure you all smash up the like button and comment down below, what do you think about Bitboy Crypto's video about Dogecoin and Elon Musk, what he said yesterday. All right, so right now I'm going to show you a couple of clips from Bitboy Crypto's videos about Elon Musk and Dogecoin yesterday. Let's go ahead and get started.
100% that Elon Musk is in possession of the largest Dogecoin address.
So right now, Bitboy Crypto says Elon Musk, he knows 100% that Elon Musk is the largest holder of Dogecoin in the entire world. This is actually very, very good news. This is actually bullish to hear that. And I do appreciate you for letting us know that is Elon Musk's Dogecoin, who is the #1 Dogecoin wallet address. And how would you know 100%? Nobody knows 100%. It's very interesting. I would love to know how you figured that out. So Bitboy Crypto just said that Elon Musk is the largest holder of Dogecoin in the entire world. That's actually very bullish. That's great to hear, and I do appreciate you sharing that information with us. However, it's bullish, it's great to hear, but let's also hear what he has to say yesterday as well.
At some point, he is going to start dumping that Dogecoin and buying Bitcoin with it. Remember what these people...
All right, so he says that Elon Musk is going to, at some point, and I think he's talking about, the future, not, the next couple of months, maybe a couple of years down the road. He says that he knows also that Elon Musk is going to be dumping the Dogecoin and buying Bitcoin with it. Why would he want to give up an asset that has memes? It's funny. It's great for the people. For something that's kind of boring like Bitcoin, which is only up like 14% of this year. Dogecoin is up 4,000% of this year. And Dogecoin is still going to pump much further in the years to come. So I personally think that, and especially in the next couple of years, that Dogecoin is potentially going to be a much better investment than Bitcoin. Yet Bitcoin has the most money in it. It's a more secure network, this, that, and so forth. However, Dogecoin is probably, most likely, 100% going to outperform Bitcoin. It's all about investing, is all about finding the best investment, finding something that's going to perform the best. And out of that understanding, what's going to be the best cryptocurrency, especially in the next 2 or 3 years? Is it going to be Dogecoin or is it going to be Bitcoin? Personally, I think Dogecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin by a factor of 5 each of those next couple of years. Now, how much do you think Dogecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin, or do you think Bitcoin is going to outperform Dogecoin, especially within the next couple of years? What do you all think? So Bitboy Crypto doesn't like Elon Musk because of Elon's tweet that potentially crashed the entire crypto market. However, did Elon Musk's tweet really crash the crypto market, or did whales and people with a lot of money get behind Elon Musk's tweet at the same exact time, follow his tweets, and start dumping a lot of Bitcoin and cryptos at the same exact time? Was it Elon Musk's tweet that had the effect to crash the entire crypto market, or was it the China FUD, or was it all the other news media that was causing FUD and fear in the markets? What really caused the crypto drop? And I'm asking you all, do you think it was Elon Musk's tweet? Did his tweet kick off the crypto drop? What do you all think? So personally, I think Bitboy in this regard is wrong. He is stating a theory. It's something that he's thinking that might be possible. Who knows? It could be possible. Nobody knows for sure if he's wrong or right, at least not for the next couple of years. but I honestly think he's wrong. He has something against Elon Musk. So anytime he can come out and speak against Elon Musk, he's going to do so. They don't even talk about him on the channel anymore. He has a very strong impact in the crypto market, despite whether you like him or not. Elon Musk, I think, is about to do something really big for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Tesla is going to be accepting Bitcoin again, and that announcement is going to send the crypto market potentially into the second bull run. He's not only going to accept the Bitcoin, but he's going to potentially accept Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, maybe Cardano, maybe Ethereum, and much more in the future to come to help out the whole crypto market. So I think Elon Musk, even though he has had tweets that potentially crash the market, has a very strong positive effect on the market overall, especially as time goes on. Now, why did cryptos drop today? It's a very, very good question. A lot of people were wondering, and I came across this article. So the article says that Bitcoin drops as traders await the June CPI inflation report. So this inflation report is coming out tomorrow. And a lot of times, especially with Wall Street and the stock market, you will see before big announcements of the Fed chair speaking the next day about inflation, interest rates, there's generally a sell-off before that date because people are selling, potentially awaiting bad and bearish news, so that if bad and bearish news does hit, you will see a crash, potentially a crash, that has happened, drops in the market. So people like to get out before then and then potentially buy the dip. But I think that the price is already factored in. The drop is already factored into any piece of bad news that could come out tomorrow. Now, people are definitely weary about the inflation rate. It has been affecting the crypto market temporarily. It's been affecting the stock market in a very big way. Because inflation obviously is not good for the US dollar, neither is it good for the financial markets or the stock market. Remember, crypto markets are definitely affected by the stock markets. They are coupled together so that sometimes when the crypto markets or when the stock market is dropping, it can definitely bring down cryptos along with it. There is a potential news that can come out tomorrow saying that the inflation rate is continuing to climb, but it might have a negative effect on the crypto market temporarily, like I said, but it might have a strong effect on the stock market in a negative way. However, what is very good for inflation, a lot of people, because of the high inflation rate and hyperinflation with the US dollar, people are moving to cryptocurrencies as a hedge against that. A hedge against inflation, because Bitcoin is deflationary. Ethereum is potentially about to be deflationary. But whether something is inflationary or deflationary is not necessarily important, especially as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned. Dogecoin is inflationary. However, what's important is that there is a set inflation rate, give or take. Let's say the inflation rate is about 6% for Dogecoin. But if Dogecoin can go up, 100% a year or however many percents a year, it can cover and overcome that inflation through profit. So sometimes in that case, inflation really doesn't matter. But the US dollar definitely will never overcome the inflation rate by profit by any means. And the US dollar begins to be devalued more and more as time goes on and on. That's why people and countries are accepting Bitcoin as their legal tender. That's why people are going to cryptocurrencies to have a hedge against that. And I was taking a look at the Dogecoin rich list today to see some of the largest wallets in the world as far as Dogecoin is concerned. And a lot of these big wallets are buying Dogecoin right now at these very, very cheap prices. So this is definitely also another very good and bullish thing to see, that not only is Bitcoin and some of the altcoins like Ethereum, Cardano being accumulated, but even Dogecoin by big money is accumulating these. Some of these could be Robinhood, some of these could be Elon Musk, other exchanges as well. So it's definitely very good to see this. Also remember that on the 21st of July, Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey are going to be talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So I'm definitely excited and waiting for this date. I'm going to be watching it. I think some very big things are going to happen on that day. Potentially, there's going to be excitement, maybe some pumping before the day with anticipation of Tesla accepting Dogecoin. Who knows what could happen? So there's going to be some anticipation, which generally brings green into the markets, FOMO and so forth. Taking a look at the coin market cap, nothing is really down that much, 3%, 4%, 5%. Dogecoin is actually looking very resilient as far as the cryptos today and how much cryptos have bounced and gone to the red. Dogecoin is looking one of the best today, which is very good to see after a long time. So looking at the Dogecoin chart, We saw a pretty decent drop, not only with Dogecoin, but most every single crypto. But Dogecoin bounced up very strongly, about a 5% bounce. Definitely very good to see. However, cryptos they have not yet recovered. We are definitely seeing some green though. Starting to see some green in these charts, especially after all of this red. And it's just some green, a little bit of green. But hopefully we can get a very big bounce here soon. So tomorrow, after they speak about inflation, that's really going to determine where the crypto markets are going to be heading, especially within the next couple of days. Because any type of bad news could send the markets down for a couple of days, maybe a week or two. Most likely not going to be that long, but there could be good news, which could skyrocket the stock market and cryptos at the same time. So cryptos are still just trading sideways, really not much happening. If we look at Bitcoin, we look at Cardano, we look at Ethereum, we're not really seeing any green at all. We're just seeing a very strong consolidation, which means they bounce and then they just traded sideways. Dogecoin, however, did receive a decent amount of green. Definitely very good to see that. So with the charts, we're still just trading sideways. We are actually still with most all the cryptos, including Dogecoin, we are still holding strongly these strong levels of support. We are not breaking down to 16.5 cents. We are holding very strong, not getting down below 19.5 cents. So that might be the bottom, but we could, if there's bad news with inflation and so forth, we could definitely see some further dumpings with crypto. But eventually, even if we come down, that might actually be a very good and bullish thing, because when there are huge discounts, just like ungodly discounts, that's when the big bounces come. And we see that a lot. If we look at the chart, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Anytime there's massive drops, look at this, just major pumps afterwards. So we're looking for that big bounce. We've been dropping for a while and we are due for a big bounce. Look at Bitcoin. We're due for a big bounce here after some big drops. Cardano, big drops. We are due for a bounce here very soon, so get ready for that. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, like Cardano, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100 using my link, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptocurrencies or send to your bank account at any time. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and smash up the like button. Share this video with some of your friends and family. Blow up the comment section. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Thank you very much.